Tron meme coins are pumping, and they are already making millionaires. This could be the next market narrative, and being early could give you the opportunity to make huge amounts of money. Here's everything you need to know to make money with Tron-based meme coins. Just before we get to it, please drop a like on the video, as this video took a lot of research to make, and let me know in the comments if you would like a full in-depth video on this. First, we need to get acquainted with the Tron ecosystem. The must-have tools are first of all a wallet. I recommend using Tron Link. You will also need to use SUNPUMP to swap tokens. This is essentially the Uniswap of the Tron chain. And for charting and looking at coins, I recommend using DEX tools. Just make sure you are only looking at TRX tokens for this method. You will then need to deposit TRX into your Tron Link wallet. The best way to this is by buying Tron on an exchange like BITUNIX or CoinW, and then withdrawing the TRX to your wallet. This is very easy to do. Now, let's head onto SUNPUMP and get acquainted with the platform. SUNPUMP is a new platform for launching tokens on the Tron chain. Similar to Pump Fun, SUNPUMP allows users to create their own meme coins in just a few clicks without any coding skills. SUNPUMP is tied to Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, who recently unveiled a $10 million incentive program for tokens launched on the platform. There are a few basic filters, a search box, and a list of tokens. Overall, it's very similar to Pump Fun, very simplistic and straightforward. There's also a tool to quickly launch your own meme coin. Fill in the info, pay a creation fee of 20 TRX, and deploy the token. Memecoin creators and ordinary degens are already rushing to the platform in an attempt to discover future 100x gems before everyone else. Here are just a few examples of recent launches on SUNPUMP. Sundog has printed, Suncat has also done amazing, and Fofar has also done amazing. There's still time to be early and catch other 100x gems. So how do you research meme coins on SUNPUMP? By default, tokens are sorted by the launch time, but you can switch the sorting to market cap, volume, or 24-hour price increase. Generally, recently listed tokens are better, however. Since the platform is brand new, you might want to check the older ones listed 5 or 6 days ago and search for early viral tickers. Look for tokens with decent tickers linked to viral news or known memes. A good combination of a ticker, image, and description is usually all you need for a successful ape. Additionally, you can check tokens already listed on SUNSwap and search for gems among them. SUNSwap doesn't necessarily bring more engagement right now, but as the ecosystem evolves, tokens listed on DEX will get more traction. The second step is to check the socials of a project. On the tokens page on SUNPUMP, find the socials section. Use TweetScout to check their X page and see if you can spot any big names following them, like other projects, influencers, or VC. Additionally, check other socials. It's always a good sign if their socials are active and the community is involved in social activities like meme contests and giveaways. The third step is to conduct on-chain research. Currently, there are no dedicated contract checkers on Tron that are similar to Solana Sniffer or RugCheck. However, you can use DEX tools to check the project's reliability score. The higher is better, and the community trust. Additionally, go to the Tron scan and check the token reputation label. There are 5 possible statuses: unknown, neutral, okay, suspicious, and unsafe. Obviously, you don't want to ape in a suspicious or unsafe token. Now, one of the best ways you can make money is with smart money wallets. I recently found 4 smart money wallets, and I will reveal these wallets at the end of the video. But if you want to find winning wallets yourself, the fastest and easiest way is just to find a project that has performed well. We will use Suncat for this example. Then on DEX tools, go to the top traders section. You want to only look at wallets that have at least some unrealized gains, because quite often big whales will split their bags up into multiple different wallets to avoid being tracked. This means you won't get to see when the wallet has bought, and they will probably just cash the gains into an exchange when they are done selling. But for Suncat, we just need to look at this top trader, and we can see that he has already made a profit of $56,000 from this coin. He only made one buy, and it was an hour after the coin launched. Now, this could be luck, but buying 3K of a meme coin at such a low market cap seems like someone with insider information. Now, to get more information on this wallet, we will need to view the wallet on TronScan. This is the Tron version of Etherscan. If we look at this wallet, we can see they are a whale, or at least I would call this a whale wallet for the Tron chain, as it's only just starting to gain popularity on Ethereum. You will find wallets far bigger than this. Now, if we want to see in clearer detail what he is buying and selling, we will just click this transfers tab, as it's easier to see what's happening here. If we scroll down, we want to look for Tether going out and a token coming in. The most recent example of this is that he spent $5,000 on this Tron Dog token, and if we go to Dextrals, we can see the exact transaction by searching this wallet through the maker section. As we can see, he bought $5,000 worth when the coin was at a 190K market cap. Currently, you can buy this token at a much better entry level to this whale wallet, so it could be worth buying, but of course, it is a meme coin gamble. If you want to buy this coin, simply pull up SunSwap, connect your wallet, then come back to Dextrals, get the contract address, paste it in, and select how much you would like to buy. It's very simple and is similar to trading on any other chain. So that's the basics. As I mentioned earlier, if you want a full in-depth guide, then let me know in the comments. Also look at the pinned comment for the smart money wallets. Now, if you want to find out the best cryptocurrencies in a sector that BlackRock is investing in, then check out the video on screen now.